Introducing an exceptional new community of 12 high-quality homes by Riverside Homes. It's conveniently located near downtown Forest Grove, near Talisman City Park, Thatcher Dog Park, and it's just a 20-minute drive to Intel. Lee Meadow offers the perfect blend of serenity and accessibility, all with spacious backyards and with floor plans ranging from just over 2,000 to nearly 2,600 square feet. Each home is thoughtfully designed with high ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and tons of natural light. The luxurious kitchen includes an expansive island, stainless steel appliances, sleek quartz countertops, and abundant storage space. You can find optional main-level bedrooms and workspaces. The upstairs loft is a flexible space, ideal for a TV or a playroom. Relax and unwind in the spacious primary suite. It's complete with a double sink vanity, soaking tub, a tile shower, and a walk-in closet. With designer touches throughout, you'll love the unparalleled level of luxury and comfort. Head outside and you'll find a fenced, private backyard with a patio, a perfect backdrop for outdoor entertaining. It's a fantastic location for easy commuting and enjoying local parks and city amenities. Experience the style and functionality that these fantastic homes have to offer. It's all here at Lee Meadow, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.